First is that you know what you want to achieve. So you need to have a clear strategy where your company is heading. You need to have business goals for the company. You need to know what you want to do in 5, in 10 years. So this is first setting the goals. Then it's important that also you set a time scale so that you know by when you want to achieve these goals. You know what you will do next year, what you will do in 3 years and in 5 years to get there. Then it's important also that you assign responsibilities so that you as a family or business owner, you don't take the whole responsibility on you, but you delegate, you share, you get people on board. Some people need to be responsible for various parts of your strategy, and they need to have resources that they can act on it. It's important that you also make a business plan out of the strategy, which is for the next 12 months. So you exactly know what actions you need to do in the next 12 months that you can get closer to the strategy. And it's important that you monitor it, so how you are progressing against it, whether you need to change something, whether you need to fine-tune it. And also important that you communicate within the whole organization and within the family. So that you don't just communicate what is the strategy which you figured out, but you always communicate how you are progressing against this strategy, so that they are all on board, they all know how is it going, where the company is going.